Welcome back to your number one place for learning Hausa language with fun, Executive Hausa Tutors channel. Today's lesson go deeper into how Hausa people talk in real life, conversation, funny, sarcastic, dramatic, and very natural. Let's get into it. Expressions of attitude and personality. Kai akwai shirme. You are dramatic. Raina ya ɓaci. I'm upset. Ka bani hanya. Leave the way for me or let me be. Used when someone is disturbing you. Ban damu ba. I'm not bothered. Then, playful insults and friendship slang. This is common among close friends, harmless teasing. Kai dan raini. You playful person, or you always joke too much. Kai matsiyaci ne wallahi. You are a troublesome person, said jokingly. Barni, kai baka da kai. Leave me, you are not serious. Kai kunya ta ƙare ma ne? Have you lost all your shame? Playful insults that often makes people laugh. Then, when someone is talking too much, kai shiru, keep quiet. Not rude among friends, serious when said in a strong tune. Anjika, we have heard you, or enough. Kai kana ta zuba, or kana ta surutu. You are talking too much. Wannan magana ta yi yawa. This talk is too much. Now, expressions for excitement and approval. Lallai, wow, really? Used for strong admiration or surprise. Kai wannan yayi. This one makes sense. Or this is perfect. Madalla. Well done. Or beautiful. Usually used by elders. Kai na gode sosai. Wow, thank you so much. Then expressions of disappointment or frustration. Kai wannan ba daɗi. This is not good, or this is unpleasant. Ai ka bani haushi. You annoyed me. Wannan ya bani mamaki. This surprised me. Ai dole ne. It's compulsory, or we have no choice. Then expressions used when someone tells a lie. These are very common in Hausa slang. Kai ƙarya kake. You are lying. Ai ba haka bane fa. That's not how it is. Kar ki yi min ƙarya. Don't lie to me, to a female. Haba, wannan bai yi ba. Come on, this doesn't make sense. Let's go over some of the slangs slowly. Kai, wannan ba daɗi. This is not good. Ai ka bani haushi. You annoyed me. Wannan ya bani mamaki. This surprised me. Ai dole ne. It's compulsory. Or we have no choice. Kai ƙarya kake. You are lying. Ai ba haka bane fa. That's not how it is. Kar ki yi min ƙarya. Don't lie to me. These are natural Hausa expressions you hear every day in markets, homes, schools, offices. Everywhere Hausa people talk naturally. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson. Let me know in the comment section what you would like me to teach you next. Thanks for joining us. Remember, learning Hausa language is fun. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye-bye. Say anjima.